Right. So we're going to define peaceful investor.
A peaceful investor. So a peaceful investor is when you know what to do and you do what you know. So what does that mean?
Well, it means that you've got knowledge.
Yeah.
And that knowledge you believe in and you trust it. And then you take that knowledge and you apply it. You actually go and do it. And you need some skills to do that knowledge. It's a knowledge plus skills. And the skills we're talking about here with the market is obviously mental skills. There's a physical skill, and that's basically handling a mouse and clicking enter is about the only physical skill you need. The rest is mental, right? And then
doing is conflict free. So effortless, composed, and unworried. Big one at the end there, being unworried. So a state of mind as you're going through the process.
Correct. And people want to know, often ask what the definition of successful is. And that could be basically subjectively chosen by you. But certainly successful includes performance as well as mental performance as well. And all of these are mental performance measurements, particularly conflict-free.
And are at peace with all outcomes. So all outcomes, wins, losses, break-evens.
And losing particularly. And that's because it's easy to be at peace with wins. It's really difficult to be at peace depending on where you are on your journey with losing and being in drawdown. And you're going to see quite a lot of that today, but certainly more over the coming weeks.
And are on track to achieve your long-term growth and profit goals. So I think the key thing there, Gary, is long-term.
Long-term, absolutely. And this is the performance aspect of being a peaceful investor. So, sure, it'll be great to have all the, be accepting and be at peace, but really you're not going to be at peace if you're losing all the time. And you obviously need to resolve that as part of your analysis. But analysis isn't going to get there all on its own. You could have the best system in the world and the best analysis skills, even if you're not mechanical, but still lose because of your mental skills.